Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. This is Asad Yaqub once again with a new video and a new concept. As I told you about computer-based IELTS, and recently they started off with the computer-based IELTS test, and one of my students, he appeared in computer-based IELTS, and now we are going to talk to him, and he's going to give us the first-hand account of his experience with computer-based IELTS. So let's just call him. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good, fine, alhamdulillah.
Good, very well, thank you very much. This is Asad Yaqub. May I have your introduction please first?
Yeah, sure. I actually did the IELTS listening and writing and speaking, writing and reading in
but first I want to know your introduction, your name please, and where you are from and all that, please.
My name is Muhammad Khan.
Okay.
I'm originally from Pakistan, but I was born and raised in Saudi Arabia.
Okay.
And now I'm studying here in Malaysia. I'm studying abroad.
Okay, fantastic. So you've taken computer-based IELTS. So first of all, please tell us about listening module. How did it go and what happened and how was it and all that?
Yeah, actually I did the IELTS test on 17th of October.
Okay.
Academic. And reading and writing and listening was on computer, and the speaking is still face-to-face.
Okay.
Actually, I had a very nice experience. The test was quite much more easy than on the paper.
Okay.
I found very straightforward and all the section went smoothly.
Okay.
The listening part, first section was like filling the gaps, summer library activity, and you only need to fill the gaps like one word.
Okay.
Second section was a map, and you need to just see where is the place, and you just put A, B, C, D, or H like that.
Okay.
Six question of the map and 4 question multiple choice question.
Okay.
And the third section was also full of multiple choice question.
Okay.
Fourth part was the like research, talking about Aboriginal Australian rock art.
Okay.
Also filling the gaps.
Okay.
And the surprising thing filling gaps is only one word.
Okay. It's just one word. So in computer-based, it's mostly like that.
Yeah, I think computer-based, even I asked my friends who have taken the computer-based on the same day and before, all the filling gaps only using one word.
Okay, this is something good. And did you take IELTS test, paper-based IELTS test before?
Yeah, I have. If I compare these two tests, I will definitely go for the computer-based. I really recommend for anyone to just take the computer-based. It's much more easy.
Okay. And what about reading module? How did you manage that?
Reading was 3 passages. The first passage was talking about video games. Actually, I found it quite interesting because I'm into video games, and it was very easy for me to finish the first section. I finished it maybe like in 10 minutes.
Okay, very good.
And it was true, false, not given.
Okay.
On the first section, and true, false, not given, and filling the gaps, also one word.
Okay. And what sort of passages were there? What was the topic of the passages?
The first passages was the video games, as I said to you.
Okay.
The second passages, I think, let me remember.
No problem.
I think I forgot about the second.
Okay. And by the way, I want to know another thing. Is there anything like answer sheet? Do you have to fill the answers to the answer sheet at the end, or it's just like whatever you fill in, it's fine?
No. That's one of the advantages of taking computer-based, that you don't need to transfer your answer to answer sheet. So you will have this extra time to more concentrate on the question.
Okay, that's good. And in reading, they gave you 1 hour.
same. It's the same on paper test.
Okay.
Listening 30 minutes, and the reading 60 minutes, writing 60 minutes. And the reading passage section 2 and section 3 was matching headings and true, false, not given.
Okay.
And if ever you find filling gaps, it will be one word only.
All right, fantastic. And what about writing? How did you manage with that?
Yeah, writing. First of all, task one was comparison between old people who's over than 55 years and children.
Okay.
So the percentage of the population in 2020 and 2040.
Okay.
How much it will be for children, how much it will be for old people. So you need to compare where it is relevant.
Okay,
And
that's good.
I just find it a bit hard for task writing task 2. It was a bit tricky for me.
Okay.
And I may go off of the topic just a bit because I couldn't understand the meaning of the topic. I will tell you the topic right now. Just let me open the phone.
Okay. So what about the typing experience in the writing module? Was it okay?
Was very well. You don't need to count the words. There is a section that you can count there's a section can count for you all the words.
Okay.
And you can restructure your sentence, like you missed some words, then you can just go back and add it. In this, we have missed this opportunity to do in the writing on paper.
Okay.
You can restructure your sentence and your paragraph very smoothly. And for people who have a speed typing on keyboard, they will find it's like a God gift for them if they have a speed typing on keyboard.
Great. That's lovely. And what about task 1? What happened in task 1?
Task 1 was okay. I just compared between these two features, like the old people and the children, and I found it very easily. Like I finished in 20 minutes.
Okay.
But then task 2, the question was when designing a building.
Okay.
The most important factor is the intended use of the building rather than its outward appearance. To what extent do you agree or disagree?
Okay. All right.
So they say the most important factor is the intended use of the building rather than its outward appearance.
And by the way, yes, please carry on.
And I couldn't quite catch means. The only problem I faced is
Okay, and how was the environment? How was the test center? How many computers were there and how was the test center?
Sorry?
How was the test center? How many computers were there? How many participants were there and all that?
It was like 14 participants and there was 14 computer also. So it was quite peace and there is no much noise around.
Okay.
And once you start the listening section, they will offer for you a headphone.
Okay. So do they start all the tests together or you can start it when you are ready?
They actually give you an ID and the password.
Okay.
They give for each one have his own ID and password.
Okay.
Once the instructor once they finish it, they will tell you to start, and then you put your ID and put the password. Some student may finish like 1 minute before the other one, but within 5 minutes, all of the candidates will finish in the same time.
Okay, fantastic.
But it's continuously. Once you finish the listening, they will give you the ID and the password for the reading. Then you finish it, they will give you ID and password for the writing, and then the speaking part. And the good advantage, the speaking part in the same time. You don't need to take the speaking part on other day. You can take it in the same day.
All right, fantastic. So what is your overall opinion about computer-based IELTS? What do you think?
I highly recommend for everyone to just, if they are good in using the computer and they have a speed typing, without a doubt, just go to sit for the computer pace. It's much more easy and straightforward. I think I really like it as compared to my first attempt. I think I did much more better. And the good things in reading also, you don't need to flip the paper, which is consuming time, you know.
Okay.
Flip the paper and look for the answer and go again.
Okay.
The passage and the question is in front of your eyes in the same screen. The passage on the left side and the question is here.
All
So
right.
you just see and see the question, see the answer in the passage.
Okay.
It's very
okay.
easy to do.
Great, great. This is lovely. Yeah, this is. And
Yeah,
same is the
very
case
good.
with
I really like
writing.
Sorry?
Same is the case with writing. On the left side there is a question and then you
it's
type
all
on the
in
right
front
side.
of you. It's all in front of your eyes. The topic here, and you just need to write about it. And in task 1, the table and the graph and whatever they will provide for you, it will be on the same page, and you just need to type.
Okay, okay, fantastic. So Muhammad Khan, right? Your name is Muhammad Khan, right?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. Okay, that's very great of you. Thank you very much. I'm really thankful to you that you gave me all this first-hand account of computer-based IELTS, and I'm really thankful to you for this.
Yeah, if you want to know also more details about this, you can just ask me.
Thank you very much. If there is anything you want to share,
experience.
if there is anything you want to share about computer-based IELTS, please go ahead. Anything further?
I think that's all.
Okay.
I think that's all what I want to say, and I really advise everyone to just do the IELTS on computer-based. They will really enjoy it and will feel the benefit of having a computer-based IELTS test. And other than this, the results only come after 5 to 7 working days, which is more shorter time than taking the on-paper test, because on paper test the results will come out after 13 days, as you know.
Okay, okay, that's great. I
have taken my test on Wednesday. So I have taken my test on Wednesday. I presume like my result will be out next Wednesday.
Okay.
So it's very short time.
Okay, okay. And you took it from Malaysia, right?
Yeah, in Malaysia, not from IDP, from British Council in Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, you did it from British Council, Kuala Lumpur.
British Council, Kuala Lumpur, 17th of October, academic test.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. I'm really thankful to you, and this is so great of you. Now I clearly understand about computer-based IELTS, and this is going to help many of my students in the future.
Yeah, I hope this can help other people who is going to take computer-based, because before I have taken this test, I tried to find more details and information about the computer-based on YouTube,
okay.
but I couldn't find much experience from the student. I couldn't find anything that talk about the computer-based. So I was a bit nervous that no one talks about this. So now if you can share this in YouTube, more people who is going to take IELTS and computer-based, they will get the benefit from this.
Great,
because
thank you. Yeah, because yes,
there is no much video talking about the computer-based.
Okay, that's so great of you. Thank you very much indeed. And I wish you all the best with your result. And whenever your result is out, please inform me about your result as well.
Inshallah, just wish me luck.
Great. Yeah, I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.
But may I have a favor? I just want to ask for your favor.
Please.
When you record your videos on YouTube, sometimes you speak in Hindi or Urdu.
Okay.
And I cannot understand, as I told you. So I wish if you can speak more in English, because this is a set on English language. Sometimes people who want to understand from you and take a good experience from you, and they don't understand Hindi or Urdu, they will find a bit difficult to understand. And as you know, your channel is getting more popular and vital around the world.
Okay.
So try to more speak in English so we can understand.
I will do that.
Take the benefit of this.
Okay, I will do that. I will try to make more videos in English. Thank you very much indeed. Wish you all the best. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
So guys, we had the first-hand account of computer-based IELTS. I don't need to explain anything. He has already explained. Once again, I'm really thankful to this student. He's from Malaysia. He appeared in IELTS from Kuala Lumpur, and he explained each and everything. Now you got to make your decision. If you are good at operating computers, using computers, your typing speed is good, and you are good with screens and all that, then you can go for computer-based IELTS. If you like this video, hit on the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Apart from this, I also teach IELTS online, so if you want to join my online IELTS classes, for that you can contact me. Asad Yaqub wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.